Hi guys, before we start today's lesson, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you guys for liking the content enough to actually subscribe to it, right? As I said, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please guys, if you can, please keep on spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn TWI or find out what TWI is about come to this lesson. Let them go through the content. And if they like the content of the channel, they may click on the subscribe button, the like button, and hopefully also leave a comment in the comment section. Guys, with that out of the way, let's start today's lesson. Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have 4 translations from 4 different people, right? And the first person that needed me to translate something was Afare. Afare, thanks again for your continuous support. So what Afare wanted to know was, I sent him a message, but I haven't received a response from him. I sent him a message, but I haven't received a response from him. So that in TWI can be translated as Metoo nkra, nanso ɔmmaa mbuae. The second thing that Afare wanted to know was, when I come home, I will explain the reason why. So that in TWI can be said as, sɛ meba fie a, mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu adekoro. The sentence again, sɛ meba fie a, mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu adekoro. Or you can say, sɛ meba fie a, mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu Adɛn. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was, did you understand everything I said? Did you understand everything I said? So that in TWI can be said as, Wotee aseɛ, Nneɛ, mekaae nyinaa. The sentence again is, Wotee aseɛ, Nneɛ, mekaae nyinaa. So the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, why didn't you tell him what happened yesterday? Why didn't you tell him what happened yesterday? So in TWI, that can be said in 2 ways. So the first way of saying it is, Adɛn woanka ankyereɛ nnora. The sentence again is, Adɛn woanka ankyereɛ nnora. And the second way of saying it is, Adɛn nnora woanka. Again, Adɛn nnora woanka. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I will tell him what happened. So that in TWI is, Mɛka akyerɛ. The sentence again, Mɛka akyerɛ. And the following thing that Afare wanted to know was, why do you think I'm lying? Why do you think I'm lying? And that in TWI can be said in 3 ways. And the first way is, Adɛn wodwen sɛ medi ntorɔ. Again, Adɛn wodwen sɛ medi ntorɔ. And the second way of saying it is, Adɛn wodwen sɛ meboa. Again, Adɛn wodwen sɛ meboa. And the last way of saying it is, Adɛn wodwen sɛ mitwa nkontompo. The sentence again is, Adɛn wodwen sɛ mitwa nkontompo. So that's it for Afare. Afare, thanks for your continuous support. I hope this actually helped you out. So the next person that wanted something translated was Jewel. Jewel, thanks again for your continuous support. And Jewel wanted to know the following. So Jewel wanted to find out how to say, I want more of the sweet one in TWI. So Jewel did send a translation, which was 95% correct. He just missed a few things. So I'm just here to correct him and voice it out, right? So there are 2 ways that one can actually say that. And the first way is, Mepennee fofor. Again, Mepennee fofor. And the second way of saying it is, Mepennee bio. Again, Mepennee bio. And the next person that wanted me to translate something was Mark. Mark, thank you so much. Thank you for actually putting your comment in the comment section. And these are the things that Mark wanted to find out. The first thing is, are you speaking to us in English today? Are you speaking to us in English today? And that in TWI can be said as, Wo kasa kyerɛ yɛn wɔ borɔfo mu nnɛ. Again, Wo kasa kyerɛ yɛn wɔ borɔfo mu nnɛ. And the second thing that Mark wanted to find out was, thank you for combining English with TWI. Thank you for combining English with TWI. Now, there are 2 ways of saying that. And the first way of saying it is, Medase sɛ wode borɔfo ne TWI bom. Again, Medase sɛ wode borɔfo ne TWI bom. And the second way of saying it is, Medase sɛ wode borɔfo ne TWI frae. The sentence again is, Medase sɛ wode borɔfo ne TWI frae. And that's it for Mark. And the next person that wanted something translated was Lionel. Lionel, thank you for your continued support. And these are the things that Lionel wanted to know. So the first thing Lionel wanted to know was, if you practice speaking TWI, then you will gradually get better. Again, if you practice speaking TWI, then you gradually get better. And that in TWI can be said as sɛ wosua TWI ka a nkakra nkakra wobɛhunu no yie. And the next thing that Lionel wanted to know was, don't scare us again. Don't scare us again. And that can be said in two ways. And the first way of saying it is enhunehuna yɛn bio. Again, enhunehuna yɛn bio. And the second way of saying it is ɛmmɔ yɛn ho bio. Again, the sentence is ɛmmɔ yɛn ho bio. Guys, that's about it for this lesson. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you so much for all your support. Guys, as I say again, for the coronavirus, right, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please stay indoors, only go out for essential services, for food and medical supplies, or for medical reasons. The other thing is with the TWI Junior Pro app, guys, please go to Google Store, grab the app. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. And if you like the content, guys, if you really enjoy the content, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. Guys, that's about it. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.